Are you struggling to keep track of your finances? Do you find yourself living paycheck to paycheck? If so, you are not alone. Many people find budgeting to be a challenging task, but it's essential to manage your finances effectively. In this video, we'll teach you how to create a budget and stick to it. First, let's define what a budget is. A budget is a financial plan that outlines your income, expenses, and saving goals. Creating a budget can help you prioritize your spending, reduce your debt, and reach your financial goals. Step 1. Determine your income. The first step is creating a budget is to determine your income. This includes any money you earn from your job, side hustle, investments, or other sources. Be sure to include all sources of income, even if it's not consistent. Step 2. List your expenses. Next, list all expenses including fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and loan payments, and variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and transportation. Be sure to include all expenses, no matter how small they may seem. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. Now that you have a list of your expenses, categorize them into necessary and discretionary expenses. Necessary expenses are those you need to live, like food, shelter, and transportation. Discretionary expenses are the things you want but not necessarily need, like eating out and shopping. Step 4. Determine your saving goals. After listing your income and expenses, it's time to determine your saving goals. Saving money is essential to achieving your financial goals, whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment on a house, or investing in yours. Step 5. Create your budget. Using the information you generated in the previous steps, create your budget. Start by subtracting your expenses from your income to determine your monthly disposable income. Allocate your disposable income towards necessary expenses, savings, and discretionary expenses. Step 6. Review and adjust your budget. Once you have created your budget, review it regularly and adjust it as necessary. Your budget should be a living document that changes as your circumstances change. For example, if you get a raise, you may want to allocate more towards saving or discretionary expenses. Step 7. Stick to your budget. The most important step in creating a budget is sticking to it. This means tracking your spending and making adjustments like needed to ensure you stay within your budget. There are many tools and apps available to help you track your spending and stay on track. In conclusion, creating and sticking to a budget may seem daunting, but it's an essential part of managing your finances effectively. By following these steps, you will be on your way to achieving your financial goals and living a more financially secure life. Thanks for watching video. Subscribe our channel for more information.